today we're going to my home state of Florida where we're gonna make the iconic key lime pie. Hi everyone, I'm Juan from One Bite at a Time and welcome back to my state, my plate. I grew up in Sunrise, Florida, and when I think of home, I think about Cuban sandwiches, oranges, alligator bites, stone crab claws, but there's nothing more iconic than a slice of a key lime pie in the Keys, and today I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to make. While our oven is preheating, we're gonna start on our pie crust with just a few simple ingredients. First, we're gonna crush up some graham crackers. We're gonna mix together our crushed graham crackers, melted butter, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Once it's all combined, we're gonna make sure to press the mixture into our pie dish, making sure to cover the bottom and the sides evenly. This is all set, so let's bake it for 8 to 10 minutes until lightly golden. While our crust is baking, we're gonna get started on the filling. We're gonna whisk together our egg yolks until they're slightly thickened and pale. Growing up, we used to take trips to the Keys even for just a day, and going back as an adult, I've learned to appreciate it so much more, especially the moments I had with my family. Our egg yolks look just about done, so let's add in our sweetened condensed milk and mix it in until it's all nice and smooth. Of course, we're gonna need to add our key lime juice and zest. One really important step is to make sure that our crust is completely cool before adding our filling in. Now we're gonna bake it for 12 to 15 minutes until it's set, but still slightly jiggly in the center. Our pie is done baking, but we can't dig into it just yet, so we have to make sure that it completely cools before adding into the refrigerator for a couple hours or ideally overnight. Some places in the Keys actually use meringue to cover their key lime pie, but I personally prefer mine with whipped cream, so that's what we're gonna do. In a mixing bowl, whip together your heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until soft peaks form. All right, now let's put the final touches. And there you have it, a key lime pie. Your pie should be tangy, creamy, and not overly sweet. All right, moment of truth. Cheers. This is very good. This takes me back to the days on the water with my family in the Keys, so I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do.